In today's video, I'll teach you how to set timer to shut down PC. So first of all, what you have to do is open the run. For that, press Windows key and R key on your keyboard. Now simply type in shutdown space dash S space dash T space. Now after that, what you have to do is simply type in the number of seconds after which you would like your PC to be shut down. For example, if you want to shut down the PC after 1 hour, simply type in 3600. That means now it will be shut down after 3600 seconds, that is 1 hour. Simply click on the option OK. Now your PC has been scheduled to shut down. Likewise, there's also another way. For that, what you have to do is simply open the command prompt. You can see over here I've already opened it. If you do not know how to open it, simply click on the search icon that you can see at the taskbar and type in CMD and open it. Now once you open it, again what you have to do is type in shutdown space dash S space dash T. After that, what you have to do is give the square bracket. Once you do that, type in the number of seconds over here. For example, I'm just going to type in 3600. Now again, enclose it within the bracket. Now after you do that, press enter and the shutdown will be scheduled. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you set timer on PC to shut down. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.